Do you know that guy? Don't even turn around, Kyle. You know what day it is? Apparently it's break day, right? I said apparently it's break day. Did you get that figured out? Oh, goody. The park brake was interfering now. There it is. Wow. I just thought that spindle had been a bigger yet. How are the bearings?
Not bad.
Not bad. New rotors.
You paint your probably yellow.
Are you?
Yeah.
Painted Ponzi yellow. Yeah, we were putting, what did we have? We had to hang up with the brakes, or I was rubbing. God, only Troy does rubbing. Wobbling when we hit the brakes hard, and then we discovered this. There was no, who am I filming? The garage door. There was no more pads left, and the rotor was all trash back here. And you know what? I've had this truck since a long time. I don't think I've ever, and the caliper was hanging up. This thing should stop like a dream now, huh? I've never, ever, I think we put pads in the back once. Oh, that's what they mean by ratcheting, huh? Now there's another one, or is that it?
That's it.
Did you look it up to see what it does to help?
Yeah, I called Matt.
You called Matt, what did he say?
60 foot-pounds and back 7 clicks.
60 foot-pounds, back 7 clicks. And we didn't have to buy a tool because we got a Punsa tool. How are you going to measure 60 foot-pounds with that?
I am.
That's what I figured you'd say. Okay, I'll let you do that because I trust your work. You've been running wrenches long enough. And we didn't have to take the pumpkin apart. We did cover because the axles come out from the outside, but that's the way it works sometimes. So we're going to have new shoes on the back, new drums, excuse me, rotors. Oh, and then hey, what else did we learn? I got to show you all this because you all know this. We were doing a little inspection the other day. Earl, black gold, Texas tea. See that? That's Earl. We don't want no Earl in our water, antifreeze. So this thing's got 369,000 miles on it. Of course, I didn't get too excited, but we all got, hell, head gasket. Oh no, shit, the motor's bad. It's a 7.3, you know. Turns out there's an oil cooler on the other side, and looked it up. Fairly straightforward to change, and looks like that's one of the problems. So I got a gasket kit ordered, and it's coming tomorrow, and we'll change that. Like that's where the water's mixing with the oil. So we're good with that. She'll run another 370,000 miles, right, Troy?
Yep.
Another 370 on her. We'll put the body will rot off before that engine quits. That's what I got to say. I'm wiping my finger off. I put it in a stinky place. Yeah, in the radiator hole. And I guess we're getting a, Dad just went to pick up an excavator that the swing, I don't know, it won't stay put anymore on the house won't stay put on the Kyle! The house won't stay put on the undercarriage, so either the swing planetary is ground right to Katush, or the swing planetary is ground to Katush. So I'm waiting for him to get back any second. So here we go. We got no work to full house on Monday. It's gonna be. So that's long enough for today, isn't it? Supposed to rain out today. Nothing going on. Did I ever show you Kyle's truck? He bear hunts. Them are all full of donuts and Twinkies and stuff. Bear bait. Bear bait. He runs his dog boxes here. He made this in the shop. That's what he was making a couple of weeks ago. She's back together. There wasn't any pads left in that side. And the caliper was hanging up, so that truck is done. Other than the oil cooler, we got a leak in the oil cooler. There's antifreeze in the reservoir. You want me to show you too? It's early morning. We were doing the air conditioning on this truck. It was low. And what else? Kyle's got the axles done, brakes. And there's another funny problem with this truck. They put a new loader on this spring, these guys, whoever put that on, and I don't know what's going on, but when you put the pusher down, the pusher axle, the light bar comes on. And instead of having the air valve in the cab, he's got an electric switch. So the air valve, we got to find it out here somewhere. You put the pushers up, the tag axle, and the light bar comes on constant. So we gotta find if somebody tied into that hot wire with that, or we gotta do a little searching today. It's like the brake lights are on all day long, and when you're, so anyways, gotta make it legal for old DOT, man. Gotta make it work right. You just gotta do it anyways. So, oops, did you see that? I'll have to edit that out. There's a lady over there. It's coffee time in the morning, 6:30, so. Hey, and today we got a Timber Pro coming in. Woohoo! Something to show you. Main lift cylinder is puking oil. There's a cracked weld on the main lift cylinder, so we're gonna be fixing that, and got an excavator outside that's got the swing gears out of it. The swing planetary, something is wrong in there. That got delivered yesterday too, so I'll bring you back when I got some more. We're studying. Where's the yellow glasses? Put them in front of the camera, Rana. Does that show up? Oh wow. Yeah, she's a leaker, eh? Think that's where she's leaking then? Mm-hmm. I can't tell with the naked eye.
Negative.
Can you tell with a closed eye?
Sure.
How bad is it?
Down in there is pretty good.
Can I borrow the glasses and look? Here, you do that. You ain't got nothing better to do. We're truck mechanics. Look at that. That ain't leaking. Thanks, Kyle. I see a little bit. Looks crappy. There's dye in it, huh? Okay. Now what? Mike says change all your damn O-rings now too. Put that all back in together in there. You got them Coils all cleaned out, really. Oh, right there they are. Look at, wonderful. You're gonna get like hurricane type winds through there. What am I wearing these for yet? You're gonna get hurricane winds through there. Hey, watch your mouth. This is a family-orientated channel. Right, Kyle? What was our problem? Wouldn't hold a vacuum and it'd lose pressure. Yeah. Something was wrong then. So we took it apart and that's what we got. You gotta take it apart. And the best of all this whole project is right here. This is the most important thing right here. New DOT tape. That's it. It's right there on the table there, dude. Hey man, we're gonna finish this video up. Well, you saw that already. Compressor's out. We were really wrong. It wasn't the seal on the clutch shaft. It was right here. Look at the green ooey gooeys. The bottom of the compressor is gone. Not gone, but that's where we're losing our Freon, man. So I ordered one this afternoon and got to pick it up tomorrow on my errands through to the big city. And the guys are going down to put, what are we going down to? Kyle and Troy are going out to the woods to put a boom chain in on a guy's ergo. He snapped the boom chain today, or yesterday, today. Anyways, guys are going down to do that and fix him up. I got an appointment in the morning, so it'll be kind of quiet in the shop for at least a couple hours, and then I'll be back with parts and I'll finish this truck up and get the air conditioner all charged up. And then the owner was here today and gave me a few more things to do. And yeah, we want to make it just right, sort of the road, man. We don't want DOT to pull anybody over. That's you know how them DOT guys are. Most of them are alright. Anyway, so that's where we're at. I just thought I'd finish up this video and get her posted and get something up online. Kyle welded a few strap hangers here on the back. I got to give them a whack with a hammer and get them loosened up. When you weld the outside there, they tend to spring open. So for straps when he's hauling logs. But yeah, other than that, you know what? She's just about done. So, and then that I got a Timco coming and an old excavator. What else do I got coming in here? I don't know, I can't remember right now. It's end of the day. So, hope you all doing good. Catch you later. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Hope everything is going all right for you folks out there. We will talk to you later, man.